As users explore your map, you might want to know which locations get the most attention. With Mapme reporting, you can see how many times users clicked on each location. There are two ways a user can access a location: by clicking on its marker or by selecting it from the list. This report will track visits from both marker clicks and list selections. To get started, go to the Explore tab in Google Analytics. Click the plus sign at the top to create a blank report. Choose the date range you want to analyze. Next, add the Mapme dimensions. Go to the Custom tab and select all the Mapme dimensions. Then click Confirm. Now add the metrics. Open the Event section, select Event Count, and click Confirm. Create a new segment. Select Event Segment. Name your segment Locations Views. Search for Mapme Actions. Select Mapme Actions, then tap Add Filter. Set the condition to Exactly Matches. Add Map Marker Click and hit Apply. Click the OR button and repeat for List Section selection. Drag the Mapme Values dimension to the Row section. This will show a list of all locations. Drag Mapme Actions to the Column section. This will show a breakdown of marker clicks and list selections. Add Event Count in the Values section. That's it! Your report will now list every location alongside the number of visits. Give it a try, and if you need help, reach out through the chat.